Now that we understand the theory behind price elasticity of demand, let's move into something much more practical. This is exactly how analysts work in real businesses. They compare elasticity across product categories to identify which products can tolerate price increases and which products require promotional pricing strategies. Now, after entering the dataset, we'll create additional columns. First, percentage change in price. Second, percentage change in demand. And then PED, the elasticity calculation itself. Now let's understand the formulas step by step. For percentage change in price, we use new price minus old price divided by old price. Now beginners sometimes make a small mistake here. They accidentally divide by the new price instead of the old price. That creates incorrect elasticity calculations later. So always remember, the original value acts as the base reference. In Google Sheets, the formula becomes equals open parenthesis C2 minus B2 close parenthesis divided by B2. This tells us how much the price changed compared to the original price. Next, for percentage change in demand, we use new demand minus old demand divided by old demand. And in Google Sheets, equals open parenthesis E2 minus D2 close parenthesis divided by D2. Now, finally, to calculate price elasticity of demand, we divide percentage change in demand by percentage change in price. PED is equal to percentage change in demand, divided by percentage change in price equals G2 over F2. This gives -2. So use absolute function ABS. Now I've also added conditional formatting to make interpretation easier. Products with elasticity less than 1 are highlighted in green. These are relatively inelastic products, meaning customers are less sensitive to price increases. Products equal to 1 are shown in yellow. These are unit elastic products, and products greater than 1 are highlighted in red. These are highly price-sensitive products. This type of visual classification is very common in business dashboards because executives usually want quick insights, not raw formulas. Now, let's interpret a few interesting examples. The coffee subscription has elasticity of 0.4. That means customers are relatively loyal. The company likely has strong retention, convenience value, or brand stickiness. Now compare that with running shoes. Elasticity is much higher. Customers have many alternatives. So even a moderate price increase causes stronger demand reduction. And look at luxury perfume. Very low elasticity. This is actually common in premium positioning strategies. Luxury brands often rely on exclusivity, emotional branding, and perceived status value. Sometimes higher prices can even strengthen perceived premium quality. One final thing to understand. Elasticity is not fixed forever. It changes depending on competition, seasonality, customer income, economic conditions, and even brand reputation. For example, during inflation, customers usually become more price sensitive. During holiday seasons, some products become temporarily less elastic. And this is why modern companies continuously monitor elasticity instead of calculating it once and forgetting it. And this is exactly why businesses study elasticity of demand, to understand how customers react to price changes before making pricing decisions. In corporate terms, this is core part of pricing analytics, revenue optimization, and demand forecasting strategy. Thank you